Asuntoskeuttiö 7
Yes, today is the 7th of July 2022. We have Ristiaallokonkatu 3. And this is actually the staircase A. The staircase B is the taller one, but it's also faster.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, the staircase B had some strange error, so it has to be adjusted. When it was going up, it was like trying to stop on all floors.
Yeah.
This is also built in 1983, turning 40 years old in the next year, 2023. Yeah, so this is in Kivenlahti, close to Espoo in Espoo, Finland. And this number is 62582. Also, we need to check when this was finished, in 1983 or 84.
Yeah.
It's going to be inspected this year in 2022. Kind of amazing sounds, and I love the smell.
Same here. Dit var kiva inspecta, mä teen Espoon hissi.
I would like to test the alarm right here.
Yeah. That's